everyone, so in this video, we will going to study on how to find the area of a triangle. And we will going to use the formula A is equal to 1/2 BH, wherein B is what we call the base and H is height. Okay, so let's have now the parts of a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. So we have the following sides: side 1, side 2, and side 3. And angles, we have this angle, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And now let's have the formula of the area of a triangle. We have the given formula A is equal to 1/2 BH. Now let's have this triangle. This side is height or H, and this side is base or B. Now we will going to apply this formula in our example. And now this is our example. In our triangle, height is 3 cm and base is 4 cm. Again, let's have the given. Base is 4 cm and height is 3 cm. Then, the formula is A is equal to 1/2 BH. The next step is to substitute the value of the B and H. B is 4 cm and H is 3 cm. Then, 1/2 times 4 cm times 3 cm. 4 cm times 3 cm is 12 square centimeter. Then, we multiply it by 1/2. In multiplying fraction, we multiply their numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Since 12 is whole number, the denominator of 12 is 1. Therefore, we have 12 over 2 square centimeter. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6 square centimeter. And that is the area of the given triangle. And that's all for now. And thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.